Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by finding the biggest drains, open settings and go to battery to see app percent use, then note the offenders. Once done, make sure you're on the latest OS and app versions. Updates often fix leaks. Next, enable battery saver at 20% or turn on adaptive battery to restrict background activity. Do these now so you have data and protective limits in place. This prevents large apps from restarting and keeps baseline consumption lower. Now you deal with the middle, apps and system settings. Force stop or uninstall the high drain apps you identified and clear app caches when an app uses excessive CPU. Then, disable background refresh, location access, and push sync for non-essential apps so they stop waking the phone. Also lower screen brightness, shorten screen timeout, and enable dark theme on AMOLED displays to cut display power. Taken together, these steps reduce both active and background battery use, stabilizing your device. Finish by looking for deeper causes. Enable developer options and check for wake locks, or use a diagnostic app to find processes keeping the CPU awake. If software continues misbehaving despite fixes, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This clears stubborn corruption. If things go wrong beforehand, reboot into safe mode to quickly isolate whether a downloaded app is the culprit. If battery life improves in safe mode, uninstall.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.